The relationship between human society and the natural world used to be interdependent, mutually influencing one another. It seemed as if we could understand the language of nature. However, with the rapid development of technology, a digital revolution quietly arrived. We began to construct electronic communities, immersing ourselves in virtual worlds. Gradually, our gaze shifted away from the green mountains and clear waters, turning towards the flickering digital realm on screens. But when is the last time you go into the nature? To touch. To listen. To smell. To feel. So, are we running data? Or data is running us?